Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. So in today's video, we're going to cover a beginner's guide to Microsoft Onedrive. Now OneDrive is what Microsoft calls for their cloud storage service. Now if you're not familiar with the term, cloud storage is storage for files and data that is not stored on your personal computer, but rather in this case on Microsoft's servers. So it can help as a fail-safe to prevent data loss, or it can help you save storage if you don't have a lot of storage on your hard drive. And what's nice about OneDrive is that it's included with Microsoft Office. Now, if you're interested in picking up your own copy of Microsoft Office or other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll have all those links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video. So for the demonstration today, we're on my Mac. It's going to be virtually the same on Windows. I'll cover the differences if there are any. And we're going to start by showing you guys OneDrive on the web. You can fully use OneDrive completely from your browser. And once we've covered this, we'll show you guys the actual downloadable app for OneDrive. Now, the purchasable versions of Office, I believe, come standard with 5 gigabytes of storage, completely free. And then you can choose an upgrade from there in the event that you need more. So we're going to navigate to this link right here. We'll put it on the screen. And then you'll go ahead and sign into your account if you're not signed in already. Now by default, I'm gonna be on the My Files tab. So this is just gonna show you collectively all the files that you currently have in storage here. Now pictures, personal vault, and documents, those are gonna be created by default if you're using Office. Now let's say I know I have some files that I wanna store in here. I'm gonna navigate to those files. So I'll pull up my Finder and my downloads. And then I'm gonna grab this LUT folder right here. Let's just say I want this to be on the cloud. The first way that you can do this is simply drag it over, release, and you can see it's uploading. Now we can also get to that by pressing the upload button. We can do a files or folder. So if you have a folder, you would click folder, or if you have individual files, then you can click files. As you can see, that folder has successfully been uploaded into my cloud. On the left-hand side, we have some different options for navigating through this. We have recent. These are gonna be our most recent files that were modified in the cloud. And then we've got photos, and we have a shared tab as well. It's going to show us any shared documents that we have. And then finally, recycle bin. So going back to my files, let's say I don't want this in the cloud anymore. I'm going to click these 3 dots here and press delete. I'll press delete again. For now, this is still going to be taking up my storage because it's in my recycle bin. Now, if I click on this, 3 dots, delete, and then this is going to give me the option to permanently delete it. I won't be able to restore it. But if you're trying to fully delete something and get that storage back, this is how you do that. And then the last example that we can show you guys from the web is going to be your Office applications. So if you're using a newer version of Office, anything that you create when you have autosave turned on is going to be stored in your OneDrive account. So the same account that you're signed into on Office, it's going to save these documents automatically in OneDrive. So I can click Documents, and as you can see, some of these different documents that I have from Excel, OneNote, PowerPoint, these are automatically here just from using these applications. So just to show y'all kind of how that works, our document name on this one, for example, 10 steps to cinematic composition. On the top left, I'll click autosave on, and then here you select or keep the same name. We'll press upload, and it's linking it to that folder now on OneDrive. So I can make some edits here, and then I'm gonna X out of this. Now if I go into recent, it's gonna be the most recent thing. So it's saving all of those changes in the OneDrive cloud. Okay, the next thing that we're gonna show you guys is how to download OneDrive and use it as an application. You might wanna use this if you're using everything on your desktop anyways. I really like to have an app for something. So we're gonna navigate to this link. Again, we'll put it on the screen right here. And then we're gonna press download for Mac. If you're on PC, you'll press download for PC. And then I'm gonna get a .pkg. You'll get a similar download file for Windows. So we'll double click it to start that installation. And then we're just gonna follow along with the setup wizard. For this part, I'm gonna have to enter my MacBook password. And once it's complete, I'll just press close. And I'll like to move this to trash, don't need that anymore. And then now if I head to my Finder here and pull up my applications, you can see I have OneDrive. So I'll double click to open that up. And then you're gonna have to sign in once again to your Microsoft account. And then here I'll press next and accept. Press next again. Press OK. You're gonna wanna give it access to this. It's just requesting to have access to your folders so that you can actually upload or remove stuff. Press next, next, and later. There is in fact a mobile app, so you can do all of the same things from your mobile device. Press later, and then we'll go ahead and open this up. Now on my Mac here, it's gonna show up within my Finder. And it's gonna have all of the same things that I just showed you guys online. And this might actually be easier to access and manage, because at this point, I can drag and drop stuff in here. I can drag stuff out of here. I can right click, move to trash. So all easily accessible, all within my Mac Finder. All right, so that's gonna do it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, let us know in the comment section below. And if you found the video helpful, we'd always appreciate a like, comment, subscribe, and share. Again, if you're interested in Microsoft Office or other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll have all the links down in the description box below. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.